Hello. Good morning. I am, can you see me? Okay, are you directly off to my starboard side, or are you a little further down? Oh, I see it. There's a red sailboat, and then you are off on you're on off of his port side? Okay, be there in a sec. A little bit of background here. Captain Nicoli had towed this vessel up from somewhere down south the night before. If you've watched my previous videos, you know that we do not bring a disabled vessel into a marina until we have permission to do so. And that's because there has been such an epidemic of disabled boats coming into marinas, and then the owners abandon them, which becomes the marina's problem to dispose of them. So in this case, we had permission that morning, and it was my job to safely bring these folks into Daytona Boat Works. Do you have a mid-cleat anywhere there?
Yeah.
Here, just...
Right here.
Here, just wrap, just loop this over the mid-cleat if you can. Yep.
Good morning.
Good morning. So, engine trouble, or what's...
Lift pump, I think.
So I'm going to hip tow you
I understand.
in. I just talked to them. I'll need to...
I was in the Coast Guard. So
Okay.
it's been a long time doing this shit.
All right. So what I have to do is my engines need to be slightly behind your stern.
Everybody's got different boat lines.
What's that?
They make you guys buy these boats? No.
The what?
You buy these boats or no?
No.
I mean, everybody's got different boats.
Well, see, I just work. I'm just a
Worker bee?
worker bee. Yeah. A lady owns this particular franchise,
Is that right?
and they just have certain specs for the boats.
Yeah.
So did Captain Nicoli towed you last night? All right, I'll start to creep forward and you can lift your anchor. Yeah, I spent most of my adult life in the Philadelphia area, and I worked for a car automotive company. So we had a lot of dealers down in the DC, Maryland, DC area. I was down there quite a bit. Gotcha. All the way. Oh, over there? Oh, shoot. The marina had recently opened up a completely new section, and as it turned out, that's where they wanted me to bring this boat into. My first thought was to do a 360 and bring them bow in down this new fairway, but that would have put my boat on the wrong side. So as I started to back up, it became evident that simply backing up and doing a 180 was the better move. Got to do a 360.
You're driving, so I'll just go along behind you. Side.
Maybe I can back it in. Yeah, usually we go all the way down. We go all the way down by the that building down there.
We're over here.
Okay, good deal. Yeah. About how many feet do I have off the dock? Can you? Okay.
We're trying. Working on it. I'm impressed. You can see yourself.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. I think we're doing okay. Thank you.
Mommy, turn it on. Yeah. No, I want a button. The tire comes from your battery instead.
Port side.
Yeah. We're going towards off. I'm gonna time off the next thing right here.
Perfect. Okay. Hey, so we're here at Daytona Boat Works. I just got them tied up, so figure it'll be 11:15. I mean, it's 10:52 now by the time I get untied and back to our marina. Is that within our window? Oh, 10:15. Okay, good. You were still within your membership, so it doesn't cost anything? Yeah. Any? Okay. No problem. Does this boat have registration numbers on it, or is it documented? Okay. Yeah, so it was 1 hour, so you're within the Towboat US. And we will email you if you're just down at the bottom there with your, give it a quick squiggle with your finger. Okie doke. Oh, thank you very much. Hey, and if you decide you need a rental car, you've got my, the number I called you, or I called you, call me. I'm here all day. I can come. Well, I'll take you over to get a rental car. Well,
We don't know how long it's going to be.
could you undo that?